The wind really did a number on my zucchini plant. You see that? They don't have any bugs on the leaves, but the leaves got really beat up. It really did. Every single one felt the wind. Look at that. Look, that's dirt. I'm gonna cut these back. I think that might even be, it doesn't look like mold, but I'm gonna remove it anyway. But do you see the new growth right down there? You see it? It looks good. So I'm gonna believe that there's still a chance that I'll be able to get some zucchinis of my own. I'm gonna go for it. Don't give up. Don't give it. Just keep on trying. If necessary, I'll be planting some more seeds because I love being able to cook with my own zucchini. God bless you. God loves you. And I do too. Keep growing.